Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Science for Everyone. Today, the topic is related to computer science, and in today's lecture, I will show you that how you will compose an effective CV using best designs within 10 minutes. Nowadays, you all know that the old version of CV is not very much effective, and now people are using best different designs to create their CV. And mostly nowadays the CV is composed of only one pages or two pages, mostly one pages. In the earlier times, there were many pages of CVs, and different stuff was included in there. But nowadays, to the point information is necessary for the CV. Okay, but and by using different colors and designs, so your CV is much more effective, and you can get that job with the basis of on the basis of your effective CV. Okay, so the main reason is that how you will compose it by your own. There are many people, they composed and these type of CVs, and they take money from their users. But in this video I will show you that how you will, if you are not an even you are if you are not an computer student, you can compose it easily. Just follow the steps I'm showing you, and you will compose it. It is really free, and you can compose it within 10 minutes. So let's start with the video. Okay, first of all, you have to go to the Google, and after that you have to write canva.com or just Canva. It is a software, and I will use this software to design CV. Okay, after that you will click on the create design, and just after clicking on the create design, you will just write CV. Okay, CV or resume, it's up your choice. So you will click on the first option, and after that this page will appear within few seconds. And first of all, just keep this thing in mind that I'm not a member of the Canva, so a few designs are allowed to me to use. Okay, so just look here. If I want to click this type of design, so it is quite effective. Even it is simple, but there are some certain colors, and all the information is included in this one page. Okay, just look here. This is the page, this is the CV, this is our format. So how you will compose this type of format? So it is very much easy. Just look here. If I want to magnify it a little bit. Okay, okay, so first of all, you have to and the main important thing is that you have to just make changes to it. Okay, all the design is free, and you can just make changes to it. For example, here is the name of the Timothy store, the name of the user. So just click over it and just remove it and write your name, for example, Nadeem Khan. Okay, and if you are for example, what is your profession? So marketing assistant, or if I write microbiologist. Okay, I want to show you now how you will give your place your image over it. Okay, so just click on the image, and now you will go to your computer, and you will click on the means that you will choose your image from it. My image is in this PC. Okay, local disk E, and after that Instagram, and this is my image. Okay, I'm wanting to place this type of image in my resume. And I want to tell you guys that nowadays people are inserting different type of images. Okay, now it is no issue of placing the passport size image of it, so you can place any type of image. You have to just click on the copy, and after that go here and just click on the control V. Okay, control V. I want to tell you guys that we can say the paste option cannot be applicable for here. You have to just click on the control C and control V. Okay, after that drag your image and place it here, and now this is placed in the place of that image. After that, your personal information, personal profile. So you can add your personal profile. Okay, just make changes to it. You can add all your personal profile. After that, this is the contact, and you have to place your that how you will be contacted. Okay, so you can compose it. Okay, after that, what is your education, what is your skills, and what is your work experience, all you can type. You can just choose it, delete it, and then you can type your own information. Okay, one thing I want to tell you guys, for example, the skills and the if you want to change the headings, okay, so you can easily change it. If you want to write here the experience, so just delete the skills and write the experience. Okay, okay, so after that, then you add your experience to it. You can also add different other type of boxes. Okay, for example, just click on the text, and after that add heading. So now you can give an I want at a minute, you can give a new heading. For example, you can say hobbies. You want to add the hobbies. Okay, so just write hobbies, and after that drag it here and just look here. Okay, then you can choose the font size. Okay, the font size, so you can choose the font size from here, font style from here, and then you can also increase and decrease the font size. Okay, so this can all be, you can also add effects on it, and after that, but I want to tell you guys that the main advantage is that you have to not start from a blank page like this. Okay, just you have to make changes to this. Okay, and after that, when your CV is completed, just and after that you will just click on the download, and after that this is the file type. Either you have to download it in the PDF print, or you have to download it in other print. So we all know that if I have to download it in the PDF print, because it is suggested also, and then you have to take prints on it, and the PDF file is very much secure, and no one can make changes to it. So after that, you have to click, this is my page number 1, and after that you have to click on the download. So it will take some time, and your CV is downloaded. So just look here now, click on the downloads, and now this is the Nadeem Han CV. Okay, so you have to click it, and after some time it will be opened. Okay, wait a minute, my system is a bit lagging. Okay, so now this is the CV as I have composed it. Okay, so this is, now you can take prints, or just click on the Control P, and after that you can take a print, color print from it. Okay, so this was all about the today's video. Now this is the CV. Now you can print it. Okay, so this was all about the today's video. Hope you have understand it well. If you have any questions, okay, so you can ask me in the comment box, and I will answer you there. I want to tell you guys that if you are a member of Canva, so then you can get access to very high amount of designs. But if you are not a member of Canva, so then you can get only access to few designs. But that designs are also much. I can say that it is enough for us to create our CVs. Okay, because these designs are all quite effective. But if you want to get membership, so I think it is 500 rupees, Pakistani rupees, by getting membership, okay, of Canva. And I want to tell you guys that you, by using Canva, you can also compose and different thumbnails, and your presentation, and very other type of documents. Okay, so hope you have understand this video. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you.